Hey guys, Sean here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be escaping cops again with this car, but this time we're going to only try with drifting. And the reason why I'm doing 3 stars is because only cops. I don't want really FBI's. Come here, copas. This car's not really meant for drifting. We can try, but like that won't work as easily as I think. I mean, it's good for evading, but like the cops are pretty smart when it comes to chases sometimes. Lost my door. And I do understand these cops. I'm a Oh, the tables have turned. Ow. All cops. Why are you there? There are 4 cops now. Cool. Cool. There were just 3. Now there are 4. Oh no. We're gonna have to restart this challenge. I just want to try something. So thing is, there is. Thing is, Sun Fury. What is this? Oh, that's. Okay, we're gonna try all these gas and vehicles because gas and buzzer. What is this? Oh, it's a helicopter. This is totally not the but okay, cool. Kodiak. Oh, this is not bad for a good car. It's let's try another one. Joa. Oh, it's this car. It looks like a Honda Civic. Century. What's a pony? Century pony. Oh, it's just like it stripes and all that. Can I just try this? How good is this? Oh, I would say this is pretty good in drifting. Sun Furies are basically Dodge Chargers. and I just spawned in another. Alright, what is this? Topaz. Oh, it's literally the same thing. They're the same thing, surprisingly. What's this? Oh, it's a, can I, oh. Does this thing have proper landing gears? This thing, I would say it's pretty good for police, but the police use other stuff. And you need to understand, guys, that looks like an ocean, and I want to try the gas in both. There. So, I don't even know what this thing is. So, I mean, can I go in the water? Like, let's try it. Hold up. Oh, I can. Oh. Okay. Can I? Okay, but I can't really. Can I jump this? Yeah. This would honestly be good for escaping cops. I'm not sure if the cops have boats, but okay, now this is gonna happen. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. There'll be more videos of checking out these cars because they are honestly pretty sick. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, and I'll see you guys next time, and peace.